Hello, students. Once again, I welcome you all, my students of Standard 7th. Today, we will see Unit 5 Exploring Values. So, students, let's start. Activity 1. Activity 1, you can see it is a puzzle time. Here, one puzzle is given, and you have to solve this puzzle. This activity you have to do in a homework. I will tell you how you have to do, what you have to do. Can you put the numbers 1 to 8 in each square so that each side adds up to the middle number? You can see in each square one middle number is given 12, 13, 14, 15 like that. So in each square we have to put a number which should be from 1 to 8. And that total, the sum of these three numbers should be the number which is given in the middle. So first I'll tell you. Suppose in the first square in the middle 12 is given. We have to write the number in each square from 1 to 8 and their total should be 12. Like in a first square there will be 1, 8 and 3. 1, 8 and 3, the total is 12 horizontally. Now vertically if you see 1, 5, 6. 5, 6 and 1, total is 12. Same way this side. The number will be in one box 3, then 7, then 2. Then total of this 7, 3 and 2 is 12. Same way down horizontal 6, 4 and 2. Then total of this 6, 4, 2 is 12. So same way other three box also you have to try. Your number should be from 1 to 8 and the three box total should be the middle number. Okay, so you try it and remaining three box you try to find out, fill it out. Okay. Now let's see activity 2. Here we have to study activity 2. The story of the young boy Swaminathan and his father. In this story, the father has given an arithmetic sum to the young boy Swaminathan. So how this boy Swaminathan has solved this answer and what problems came, now that we will see in this story. So let's start it. Swaminathan sat in father's room in a chair with a slate in his hand and a pencil ready. Father held the arithmetic book open and dictated. Rama has 10 mangoes with which he wants to earn 15 annas. Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. How much money will Krishna have to pay? So here the son Swaminathan is ready in his room with his slate and pencil and father is ready with the arithmetic book. And father has given one sum to Swaminathan to solve it. What is the sum? That Rama has 10 mangoes and that 10 mangoes he has to sell it in a 15 annas. So he has to earn 15 annas. One boy Krishna came and he wants only 4 mangoes. So how much money will Krishna have to pay for the 4 mangoes? So that question Swaminathan's father given to Swaminathan to solve it. That 10 mangoes they have to earn 15 annas and Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. So for 4 mangoes, how much he has to pay? Swaminathan gazed and gazed at the sum and every time he read it, a new thought came to his mind. His mouth began to water at the thought of mangoes. But Swaminathan is not at all aware about this. So he just simply gazed. Gazed means continuously looking to that sum. Whatever time he read, every time when he read this sum, one thought only coming to his mind, that his mouth is watering with the thinking of, with the thought of the mangoes. His mouth is watering by seeing or by hearing about the mangoes. Have you done this sum? Father asked. Looking over the newspaper he was reading and father was waiting for the answer. Father is reading newspaper and asking Swaminathan that have you done this sum? Have you completed this sum or not? Father, will you tell me if the mangoes were ripe? Father watched him for a while and smoothing a smile remarked, "Do the sum first. I'll tell you whether the fruits were ripe or not afterwards." So here Swaminathan asked father that whether the fruits were ripe. It was pakka or kacha. But father looked at him and with a smile only he answered that you do the sum first, because whether the mangoes are ripe or unripe, that is not useful. So father just smiled at him and said, do the sum first. I will tell you afterwards that whether these mangoes, these fruits were ripe or they were kacha. So students, in the further story we will see that Swaminathan was able to find the answer of this sum and how father helped Swaminathan to solve this sum. So these things we will see in the next videos. So here we will end this video. Your homework is activity 1. As I told you, you have to find the answer of this puzzle, activity 1. That is your homework for today. And remaining story we will see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you very much students. Bye bye.